Hi, I'm Jenny Spinner, Chief Editor of Snack Food and Wholesale Bakery, and today I'm joined by our publisher and my boss, Doug Peckinpah. Doug, hello.
Hello.
So one of the things that's coming up later this year in September is the 2025 International Baking Industry Exposition. It's a must-attend event for everyone across the industry, and one of the features that I and a lot of other people are looking forward to are the exciting competitions and prestigious awards. The one we're chatting about today is Best in Baking, which gives suppliers and producers alike a chance to shine in numerous ways. Doug, I was wondering if you could tell us a little bit about what Best in Baking is all about.
Sure. So, Snack Food and Wholesale Bakery has been connected to the Best in Baking Awards since the beginning, since they introduced the awards several IBIEs ago. And it's really all about sustainability. So we partner with IBIE to honor companies who are committed to excellence across the industry, specifically related to environmental sustainability. But sustainability comes in many forms, and that includes corporate sustainability, operational sustainability, and so forth. So there are a variety of different categories. Qualifying companies they'll receive a notable level of exposure through Snack Food and Wholesale Bakery, our publication, as well as at the IBIE show taking place in September in Las Vegas. We will publicly be honoring all of the qualifying companies, along with some special top honors presentations, which are designated in each category. All of the companies accepted into the Best in Baking program will also be free to use that honor as part of their marketing plan. So they can use the logo along with their marketing to show that they have been recognized for their advancements in the area of sustainability for the next 3 years until the next IBIE show.
Let's start off with the categories open to suppliers. Can you please share some of those details?
Sure. So, we have two different sections for Best in Baking. We have some categories that are open to suppliers to the industry. We also have some categories that are open to bakers. For the supplier side of things, we have five different categories that are open for submissions. Sustainability, which is kind of where it all began, plant efficiency, workforce development, automation and robotics, and sanitation. Now, while these seem like some pretty diverse areas, sustainability does factor into all of these different sectors. And if anybody has any questions about how sustainability works into these, and any questions at all about these supplier categories, I would encourage them to reach out. All suppliers exhibiting at IBIE who have invested in sustainability efforts should consider entering one of these categories to get the widespread industry recognition that they deserve and make your hard work pay off.
That does sound like a great opportunity. Maybe you could tell us where baking industry supplier companies can learn more about Best in Baking and if they think they can come out on top, how they can submit an application.
Complete details about these categories, along with the application forms, are available on www.bakingexpo.com. I would also welcome anyone with questions to reach out to me directly. You can find my contact information on the Snack Food and Wholesale Bakery Contact Us page on the website. I would welcome any and all inquiries. We're really looking forward to a great show and hope to see you in Las Vegas this September.